After I discovered this incredible trick, my house has been insect-free. And today I'm excited to share this amazing solution with you. Say goodbye to ants, cockroaches, flies, and mosquitoes. In a pot, I start with the peels of an onion. Don't discard any parts. They can all be used. And don't forget to hit that likes button if you're enjoying these tips. Now let's talk about the magic behind this trick. We also use garlic peels and any discarded parts. It's as simple as that. I apply this mixture to all the doors and windows of my house. And guess what? No more insects. Even when I have visitors, they're amazed at the results. Next, add 200 milliliters of water to the pot. Heat it on low without mixing until it boils. Trust me, this mixture is incredibly efficient. After boiling, carefully remove it from the fire. Then, using a sieve, separate the shells and collect only the liquid in another container. Now let's supercharge this mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of alcohol for its bactericidal effect. Mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons of detergent to help with fat removal. Mix everything one last time, and voila! Your homemade insect repellent is ready to use. Remember, you can also use this mixture in drains and any areas with contact with the outdoors. The more you use it, the more effective it becomes over time. I like to store mine in a spray bottle for easy application. Use a funnel to avoid waste, cover it up, and it's ready to use. Believe me, a small amount of this liquid goes a long way as an insect repellent. I use it at least twice a week on surfaces where I have insect problems. So give this a try in your home and let me know in the comments how it works for you. I hope it solves any insect problems you may have. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.